Well, we're here now for the celebration of the 150 years for our Presbyterian Church, and the first person we would like to say hello to is, what's your name? Inga. How long have you been coming to this church?
Over 2 years now.
2 years? And who's this lovely lady here? Oh, beautiful. And how so far? How have you found coming here?
Excellent. Yeah, it's closer to home, and it's nice to be part of this church.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, and it's sad to
Yes, to be celebrating at the time like that. Yes, I understand. Okay, Inga, thank you. Nice meeting you. Hello, how are you? Oh, you are the son of this beautiful lady. And how have you found coming to this church?
I found it very amazing.
Amazing.
Very beautiful seeing all our people.
Oh, isn't that lovely? And what's your name?
My name is Christian.